If you're in the market for a compressor for your workshop, look no further than the Peerless Products 10 horsepower screw compressor. This unit features a separate air dryer, so moisture-free air, perfect for protecting your tooling. A 200 litre air receiver, plenty of air storage, but the biggest benefit is its variable speed. What this means is it will calculate how much air is being consumed and produce the exact amount that's needed to keep up with your air tools or your pieces of equipment. By doing this, it saves you on average 25 to 35% in power. The unit has also a full touchscreen LCD screen, so live diagnostics at your fingertips. It also features sound deadening doors. So yes, this unit is only 68 decibels, so perfect for inside factories or small garages at home. It has a permanent magnet motor. No greasing is needed for the bearings within this motor. It's directly coupled to our very own Peerless air end, which we offer a 5-year warranty on this air end, plus an additional 5-year if you use genuine Peerless parts. Another benefit is its soft start, so no high amps draws when using the unit. Along with this, there is a lot of key componentry that is used. We only source the best componentry from around the world, and we assemble and manufacture the majority of our equipment right here in Australia. We have a wide range dealer network, and we're over 65 years old. So when purchasing a compressor, take these things into consideration and make sure you choose the right machine the first time. For more information, get in contact with us via Facebook or our website or any one of our key dealers. Thanks guys.